We'll guide you through how to password protect a folder in Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Google Drive on your desktop. You need to start by creating a new folder if you haven't already. Click on the New button on the left, then select Folder and name it whatever you like. Once your folder is created, you can add files to it as necessary. Now, here comes the important part. Google Drive itself does not have a direct feature to password protect a folder, but we can achieve this by using a workaround involving Google Drive's sharing settings. Go ahead and right-click on the folder you want to protect, then select Get Link. In the sharing settings, make sure to set the link's access to restricted. This ensures that only specific people you invite can access the folder. Next, click on Share, and in the pop-up window, you can add the email addresses of those who should have access. Make sure to set their permissions accordingly, whether they should be viewers, commenters, or editors. Now they will receive an email invitation, and only those with the link and permissions can access your protected folder. While this doesn't involve a traditional password, it's a secure method to restrict access. If you need to remove someone, simply go back to the sharing settings, click on their name, and select Remove. Always remember to double-check your sharing settings to ensure only the intended people have access. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.